Good morning, beautiful people. It's Courtney. As you could probably tell, I'm a bit sick today. I haven't actually spoken out loud today. That's kind of weird. The first time I'm talking is on camera. That's just how it is sometimes. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you woke up feeling sick, maybe you're not having the best day, really just take care of yourself today and try to just change your attitude, and let's have an awesome day together. I'm trying to make the best of it, even though I feel terrible, but I took some medicine, drank some tea, and I'm just ready to take on today. So I have a lot to do, so I need to get my butt moving. I have a lot to do today, so I'm about to get moving. I'm about to go get my legs laser hair removed. I did a video over on my main channel, which I will link down below if you haven't seen it. I'm probably gonna vlog a bit there, and then I just have like a lot of stuff to do today. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Let's get to it so I'm not late to my appointment. Well, my appointment was at 1:30, not 10. So I screwed that up somehow. I swear I looked at my calendar and then it like switched on me. So they weren't even open, so couldn't get in early or anything. I'm back home. I'm gonna have some food, relax a little bit, and then start working and then head back to my appointment. All right, it's about 4 hours later. Let's try this again. Back off to get my laser hair removed. All right, I'm getting my legs done now with Dana, and she's getting all set up over here. And they are still offering half off through the month of May if you're in the Asheville area at Mountain Radiant Spa. So I'm about to start my second laser treatment on my legs. So the first time it didn't hurt at all, so I'm hoping it's the same. We'll see. So we already did the front of this leg, working on this leg now. It's so crazy because you can't see the light like with these cool little glasses on, but it looks so cool on camera. It's like this really pretty purplish blue. But yeah, just working on the second leg. Doesn't take very long at all. Just like that, I am all done. Easy peasy. Took about, I don't know, 20 minutes. Yeah, not very long. My chest is so red, I must have been like, It doesn't hurt at all though, so I don't know. Alright, so I am heading home now, and Andy and I have a meeting out at our house later today, so I want to do like, they've done so much since we last showed you guys. It's insane how fast they're getting work done, so I want to do like a full empty house tour for us and everything. We haven't been in like a week, but my mom said that they have the windows in already, which is crazy. Like, they're moving so quickly. So we have to meet them out there in a little bit, so Andy's gonna be picking me up. But a huge thank you to Mountain Radiant Spa. They always hook me up. They always have amazing deals all the time. So I'm gonna link them and their Instagram down below. You could go watch the whole treatment I just did. We did a little time lapse, so it's super cool. So if you wanna check that out, definitely show them some love as well. You can go check them out and definitely check out the time lapse because it came out really, really cool. So yeah, I'm heading home now, stuck in traffic as usual. Welcome to Asheville. So yeah, hello.
Hi.
How was your day?
Pretty crappy.
Aww, it's about to be better. Are you excited? We're going to see our house. So here we got the house. The windows are in, coming along. So let's do a tour. All right, so over here, when you come in the front, we got a little closet here. I think this is a closet. I'm not sure what this is. Bless you. Bless you. This is the half bath in here. And when you walk in, I said here is the office. Then we got the living room and the stairs and the kitchen that way. Over here is the master bedroom. So we got this in here. This is gonna be a sliding door to our patio with our lovely retaining wall. And then, okay, so here's the bedroom. Andy's standing in the bathroom. This is gonna be my favorite part right here. Got the toilet room. Not that part, but this part, the bathroom. So we got these pretty windows. You know why it's so hot today? Because all the windows are on. I just realized there's no breeze.
Yeah, they have the windows open.
This is gonna be a vanity here. We got our shower. We're gonna put a tub here. It's like a glass shower tub. my vanity over there. Here's Andy's closet in here. And then through here is my closet. Not sure where that came from. The water. With a little window out there.
Hey, do you think it comes with a doorbell?
I don't know. You want a doorbell?
Yeah.
Good old-fashioned knocking on the door.
I wanted the El Cucaracha sound.
Okay, so here's gonna be the stairs. Here is our fireplace here. Got these big tall windows. That's gonna be upstairs. There is the loft. I will go up there in a second. Over here is gonna be the kitchen. And then that's like storage. Through here is the pantry. This is just like a cutout for like the fridge and a counter. More counter space over here. Here is the laundry room. Through here, nice decent size. And then we got the garage out. We got the garage out here. So let's go upstairs. We just added some lights and stuff like that. So up here is gonna be the loft. This is a lot bigger than we were expecting. This could have either been a loft or another bedroom. So we chose the loft. Nice big size. Let me stand in the corner so you can see, and it overlooks the living room. Here we go. There's the loft. Then we come through here. Oh, the tub's in there? When did that happen? This wasn't in here when we first came up, was it?
Yeah, somebody
Maybe it was. I just
dropped it in here.
I literally didn't see that when we walked through. Yeah, this will probably end up like ripping out and just putting in a tub and doing it ourselves. We didn't like a lot of their options, so this is just like a insert thing. We have one now, but we don't love it. But this is just the guest bathroom. Ours is gonna have like a nice tub. This was a Jack and Jill bathroom. We changed it to just a normal bathroom off the hallway. So that way we get 2 walk-in closets. This guest room is a really nice size. Super nice. And they both have like the exact same size walk-in closet. So we're just gonna walk through the closets. Here's one, here's the other. And this room is a little smaller, so it's probably gonna be the guest room in here. So here is the loft. And that about does it. Okay, I literally never wear sunglasses, so when I have them, I'm like, oh yeah, I put them on. So we're leaving our house now. It's so crazy, like with the builder we went with, they give you like the bare minimum and you don't realize it until you walk through, and like there's not lights where there should be lights or where you think there would be lights, like in a bathroom, but all they had was like a vanity light, which is crazy. We thought for sure our kitchen island like had pendants above it, because literally every single picture of our floor plan showed pendants, and we didn't get a lighting blueprint or anything like that, so we didn't know what was standard, and there was literally no pendants. So we were like, that is insane. And of course all the light fixtures are like super basic and cheap, so we're gonna be switching all of those out. But it's literally just crazy like how little there is. Like in our living room that you guys saw with the double windows and everything, the kitchen had lights, but the actual living room didn't have a single ceiling light or fan, which was okay. We didn't really expect the fan. Luckily we got to walk through today. We added a bunch of lights, and yeah. Now we're going out to the parents' house because Andy has been helping Dad down in the basement do the wiring for the electrical, because that's what Andy does. So it sucks that he can't do ours, but yeah, it's just the way the company works. But yeah, we're heading out there for some dinner. Arrived. Just break into their house. There's Brody! There's Brody! Hi, baby. Ow! You nibbled on me. Ow! Ow! Guess what isn't included with our lights?
Fans?
Well, no. We added fans. In the living room, there was not a single light.
I told you, probably a lamp.
Yeah, it was a lamp. Kitchen, no pendants. Above the island.
Why? That's probably extra.
But I thought it came with it. Because I thought they showed us like little cheap ones they were installing. I was disappointed. Let's go see what the guys are up to. I'm stealing your shoes. You like to go downstairs too, huh? Are you gonna wait for me all night?
So one's a van. You have
What's going
the light
on?
switch, maybe the light on the fan on one, and the other light on the other one. So if you didn't want that fan on, you
What other
just
light are we talking about? One
Fan?
switch is going to control that.
doesn't have to. I said,
How's it going?
It's going.
I feel like you guys have been in this room since last time we were here.
yes, it was a couple hours a night.
I know, we could go play. Do you want to go play since everyone else is being boring? Let's go. On the ball. Go get it. Alright, so we're just walking down. We haven't actually walked their driveway, like it's really far. To take some photos down here. I was gonna just go to these are closer. I need to take an Instagram picture for this sports bra. I absolutely love it. I got it in this color and black. It's from SheFit and it's really cool because it zips in the front and then you can adjust it on the strap so it really lifts you super nicely. I have like zero cleavage so that helps a lot and it just fits really, really nice. So I'm taking an Instagram photo for it. I picked some wildflowers. They're super pretty. And they just hayed their field, or I don't know if that's the proper term, hayed their field. Is that right? Mother Nature. I said Mother Nature.
Bugs here are horrendous.
I know. Bugs, but look how beautiful. Like it's finally not hot. It was actually pretty hot today. But they have this beautiful stream on the property that I'm definitely gonna have to get some photos at sometime, but it's not very often that they have hay bales, so I wanted to go ahead and do that just for something different. But look how pretty. Just a pretty little stream. And when it rains a lot, like probably this summer, once it gets a little more full, you'll really be able to like hear it from the house, so it's super nice. You're gonna cut through there? Nah. I'll take the more gradual path. That's the way we came down. Nah, I'm good. You have fun with that. Run! Run! That's tiring because I'm just walking up the driveway and it's pretty steep. Alright, so this tree here used to be a huge tree and the trunk was dead, but it actually would like flower and had leaves still. Well, the wind comes through the valley here really, really bad. And so like 2 weeks ago, it broke, as you could see, and crossed all of here. So that's kind of like the good wood that my dad is saving. This would be nice for like photos too. This over here is just gonna be firewood, I think, but yeah, I literally cannot believe that. Look at it. So we're gonna grab some dinner. I'm gonna look through these photos. We do use my DSLR a lot, but especially when we travel. But around here, whew, bugs flying everywhere. Like around here and around town, we usually just use my phone. It does pretty good. An iPhone 10, so I gotta get better at ending the vlog, you guys. I'm sorry. Hopefully once we start vlogging more, I'll definitely get more in the hang of it. I was just laying here and Andy got up and I was like, could you end the vlog for me? And clearly that didn't happen. So here I am ending the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the progress on our house and all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.